Good morning, everybody. Okay, I'm totally excited today. Let me tell you why. So my client sent me a picture and it was a mohawk hairstyle. Anyone that knows me, you know I love a mohawk hairstyle. I used to wear the mohawks and I used to do those styles, and those are just like my favorite hairstyles. So she came with a picture, and when I saw it, it was just like a throwback. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and do the style. I'm gonna go ahead and put my little twist on it, but I'm gonna show you the picture. And then after I do the style and I show you step by step like how it's done, I want you to comment and then let me know what you think about how I did. Okay, so stay tuned. So this is the style my client chose. Shout out to Taste Pink's YouTube channel. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and recreate this style and tell me what you think. So you know I'm all about healthy hair care. So my client's hair was washed, deep conditioned, trimmed before we even style. I went ahead and did those cornrows on the side and put 3 ponytails down the middle. I'm using expression braiding here. And so I did the braid and did a small braid that intertwined in that braid. And now I'm just going ahead to pin it on to create her front piece. Go ahead and loop it one more time, fold it over, and pin it down. You can see my client is looking nice. It's coming together lovely. Take that end piece and tuck it under, hide it underneath there, and pin it in. And her whole front piece is now completed. So I just go ahead and take another piece of expression braiding here, braid it down, rubber band the ends, and so the goal is to now attach it to the front piece and kind of open it up a little bit and butterfly it to cover up those 2 ponytails in the back. And so I have another piece of expression braiding here. I'm going to put a rubber band on it to kind of keep it together. And I'm going to loop it on the bottom part of the mohawk. So I just lifted it a little bit. And I'm going to pin it back down. And then just go ahead and continue braiding to create that braided ponytail in the back. You can see the ponytail is coming out nice. Just take your time and kind of smooth it. If you have any shorter pieces that may be hanging out, you can fold them over nicely and create that nice braided ponytail. So you can see my braid is coming out really nice. Take a look at that. So I'm about done. So I'm just going to take a little gold string and just, accentuate the hairstyle and finish it up. So if you like this video and it was nice, go ahead and hit that like, hit that share, hit that subscribe, and leave a comment below and tell me what you think about my client's hairstyle. This is the finished product. I put my little twist on it, but she is looking fly. Wasn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. I hope you enjoyed that. That's a really fun style, especially for the summer coming in now, weddings, baby showers, any type of event. If you just want to look nice and sleek and fly, go for the mohawk. All right, so I'll talk to you guys again soon. Have an awesome and amazing week. Bye.